Well, I got another install and I got to come back to the RV and program two more and try to get one, maybe both of them done today. If not, try to do them tomorrow. So let's go get this one done. All right, we got this box installed, got it plugged in, checked the GFI, it's got power, went on and plugged it in. Now we just got the CPE sitting here because the antenna, the AP is right up there, so almost just to run a cable across, but I don't feel like burying. So we're just going to put this right here. I'm going to take this wire and put a plug on it and plug it right in there, and it should be all ready to go. Activate the account, drop the radio in it, and we should have them internet. All right, we got this one all up and running. We hadn't set their account, active yet, but we're going to lock this up. I do believe it's all going to be fine. Don't have to open up for any reason. Now we just need to go in, get a laptop and go in their RV, set their account, and drop the radios in it and all that good stuff, and they should have internet probably 5-10 minutes. Let's go do that and get that done. All right, we got this one up and running. I thought I was going to have to move the CPE because it was just so noisy. I couldn't get a good signal. Well, the signal was good, but I couldn't get the speed. And I knew what it was. I just had to figure out exactly what frequency to set the other radio on, because you see the angle sitting here going to the Omni, and that dish right next to it is on 2 gigahertz as well. So I had to separate the two a little bit further to be able to get it to work. If I have to, I could, close as he is, I could run a wire out of here. I got a switch in here and just run a wire, or put up a 5 gigahertz and just call it a day and change his CPE to a 5 gigahertz. But it's getting his speed. He's supposed to be getting 20, it's getting 23, 24 now. So, and then somebody texted me and said they are interested, and they're down there. So I got to go down there and see what it would take to set them up.